Hey everybody, welcome back to Part-Time Adventures. My name is Jesse. We are going to do a quick construction update to show what's new and going on here around the Disneyland Resort. The first stop is going to be Toontown. We'll take a look at progress from Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Looks like already I can see a lot going on over there. That's all of Toontown's going to be closing though in just another month or two, because they're going to refurbish the whole land before the ride opens. Well, I think it closes in March. It's going to be closed for like a whole year. Yep. So get a good look at Toontown now. We'll make sure we get a proper visit before it actually closes. They got the metal frame up for the sign. See the sign right there on top of the theater and the concept art? Here, let's take a closer look. Yeah, see this sign right here that says El Capitan? So that sign right there that says El Capitan, you can see is right here. See, if you back up, you can see the frame for it.
Yeah, I do.
Yep.
So this probably not going to be open until next year, kind of developing.
Yep. They got a lot more framework for the hills. Hopefully we see some green hills up before they're closed, but I don't think we will.
And then I do that.
And then over here there's still just a gutted out frame of the gag factory. So not a lot of progress there, but progress in other places. So we're going to be moving on to our next stop for the construction update. Actually, before heading to our next destination, we're going to walk down this new path that they just finished building. Yep, they just finished building and opened this path. Yep, the one right by Toontown. That doesn't really go anywhere. It takes you right to the gift shop. We don't know why we need this. Looks like there's a boat jam on Small World. I guess that's why we need it, so we can see the boat jam. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to see this. But yeah, so there we have it. New path going into Toontown. You can see the fountains from World of Color are all back down in their place. Enjoying a bird's eye view from up here atop of the Pixar power round. Kind of a weird view of all the fountains, being able to see them under the water. Tarzan construction at night. So interesting to notice that there is lights on up there. But still not open. Still no word on when it's opening.
Oh, yeah, it's up here.
Yeah, there's your update on Tarzan.
Open soon.
As we check out the tree up in Walt's apartment, this will wrap up the construction video that we had. We got to see Tarzan's treehouse, Finding Nemo Submarines, Toontown, World of Color. So actually right here I'm going to insert the footage for the Nemo Submarines, since I didn't get to do really any commentary on it during, because I didn't know when I was filming it I was going to be doing a construction video, but so just kind of replaying them and getting to see all the bright colors that they had going on. I think it looks pretty good. Looks like it's coming along. Looks like it's a lot of progress. Looks like a lot different than it used to. So looking forward to when that will get to open again. Hopefully soon. Alright, that will do it from this Part-Time Adventure construction update video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And thank you for checking out the construction at Disneyland with us today.